गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू पर्निका इंडिया। आज मैं आपको एक भी साड़ी नहीं दिखाऊंगी। सीरियसली, आई एम नॉट किडिंग। मैं एक भी साड़ी नहीं दिखाऊंगी, ना कोई न्यू डिज़ाइन दिखाऊंगी, ना कोई न्यू कैटेगरी दिखाऊंगी। तो फिर ये वीडियो किस चीज़ का? एज एन व्यूअर, जब आप घर से या ऑफिस से या अपने सिटी से या अपने अदर किसी कंट्री से बैठ के वीडियो देखते हैं, तब आपके माइंड में कौन सा सवाल आता है? शुड वी ट्रस्ट पर्निका इंडिया? शुड वी गो देयर? राइट? एज एन व्यूअर 100% ये सवाल आता है ना, जाना चाहिए नहीं जाना चाहिए, कैसी वैरायटी होगी, क्या होगी, सही होगा गलत होगा, अच्छा होगा बुरा होगा। देयर आर सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस। सो बस उन्हीं सवालों का जवाब जानेंगे आप ही की तरह एक व्यूअर से। एक कस्टमर यहाँ पर आए हैं फ्रॉम मॉरिशियस, दे आर स्टिल परचेसिंग। सो जानते हैं एज एन व्यूअर उनकी क्या राय है, आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए या नहीं आना चाहिए, मेनली उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है और उनके एक्सपीरियंस से आप क्या ले सकते हैं, क्या सीख सकते हैं, वही जानेंगे। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स गो। उनका परचेसिंग एरिया डाउन है, ये था हमारा सैम्पल रूम, और परचेसिंग एरिया है डाउन। लेट्स गो। हेलो, वेलकम। कैसे हैं आप? हाउ यू? प्लीज होल्ड दिस माइक।
We are fine.
Okay. First, I want to know, are you comfortable in Hindi or English?
English.
Okay, you're comfortable. Mixed. ठीक है, no issue. Ma'am, tell us about your location. Where are you from basically?
Yes, we are from Mauritius.
You're from here, from Mauritius.
Yes.
Now, as a viewer, whenever you see our video, you used to see our video. What was in your mind? Like,
I want to come to Surat to verify is sure these sarees that you are making video.
okay. So, what was your experience about it?
Good, very good. I'm very happy.
Okay.
I'm happy.
And
We
what
buy
you have
all
purchased?
All this one.
This
that
one?
I saw,
Yes.
we
Okay,
made
that one
this
is
video.
also okay.
Yeah, but I'm very happy.
And what about the quality? What I used to say in the video, is it same or better or not
Same.
that good?
Same one.
Okay, same one.
Same. That you show in the video, you show the viewers, same one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you will suggest to our viewers? Like, what will be your opinion to our viewers?
Come and visit us and come and visit you and purchase.
And
It's a
what
good
about the
price.
prices? Was that
The price is
reasonable?
good, reasonable.
Yes, very competitive.
Okay.
And also we have a personal service.
And good, good
Okay.
quality.
And what about our team members? Were they
Yes,
helping you?
Welcome. Yeah.
Yes, very
Very
nice,
nice.
very nice, very courtesy, and we are very happy.
Yeah.
You see, we follow you since November last year. We
Yeah.
wanted to come to Surat, but we don't know where to buy.
Yeah.
So we follow you since November last
Okay.
year,
Yeah.
and last week we decided to come.
Yeah. So you've been watching us from November 2022, and
Yeah.
it's April 2023. So
Yes.
you've taken so much long time.
We plan to come. We suggest the agency to find a hotel near your
Place.
shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's. I want to tell the viewers that we came this morning at 8. We reached the hotel at
Yeah.
8,
We have not
and we
been-
just left our luggage and we came here.
Okay.
So we are very happy. Thank you very
So
much.
was it worth it?
Yes,
All
worth
of
it.
this from
Worth it.
Mauritius.
Yeah.
Yes, I will urge viewers to
Yes.
come personally and to purchase. They won't be disappointed, and we are very enthusiastic.
Ma'am, can we just see a bit varieties what you have purchased?
Yeah.
Can I just show to our viewers a bit? Okay. So viewers, ma'am has purchased some of silk sarees, some of work sarees, and this pretty dola silk material sarees. And this is one of my favorite. Even I've shown this in the videos also.
Yeah.
It's a gharchola silk. It's traditional saree. Okay. And it's full of zarkan. We call it zarkan.
Yes.
Yes, it's full of zarkan. And ma'am, and what you used to see in the video, it is more whitish than the video.
Yes.
It's shiny, but it's never
Very
get captured
bright.
in a camera.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for
Oh,
your
welcome.
for your time.
Good luck.
Thank
we
you.
We have not waste our time.
Okay. And how much number you will rate us out of 10?
I
Nine.
give you 10.
9.
One for improvement?
Yes. There's
Okay.
still room for improvement, but we are very happy.
Okay.
Very happy, and we'll come again.
Okay.
Sure, this year again we'll come back.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for your time.
Thank
So viewers, let's just go out and then we'll have a bit conversation. Let them purchase. So दोस्तों, as a viewer, definitely अच्छी चीज़ सबको चाहिए, बट सही दाम में चाहिए, राइट? सो जो भी कस्टमर पर्निका इंडिया के वीडियोस, शी इज़ बीन वाचिंग अस फ्रॉम नवंबर, नाउ इट्स बीन to 6 or 7 months she's been watching us, and इतना टाइम उनको लग गया सोचने के लिए कि जाना चाहिए नहीं जाना चाहिए. यू कैन ऑल्सो ऑर्डर वट एवर जो हम वीडियोज़ में दिखाते हैं, आप सब घर बैठे भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. ट्राई एंड टेस्ट है, मिनिमम 15,000 का पार्सल मंगा के देखिए साड़ियों का, अच्छा लगता है तो और मंगाइए, बिकॉज वी नो वी मेक अ गुड क्वालिटी एंड देन यू विल ऑल्सो गेट टू नो. सो डू मैसेजेस फॉर मोर डिटेल्स इफ यू वॉन्ट टू परचेज समथिंग और एनीथिंग. डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट अस, नंबर स्क्रीन पर और डिस्क्रिप्शन में एड्रेस दिया गया है. पर्निका इंडिया इज़ अ ट्रस्टेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट जहाँ से आप विदाउट एनी एजेंट परचेज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज समथिंग प्लस पॉइंट व्हाट वी हैव. वी डोंट हैव एनी एजेंट सिस्टम, सो विदाउट एजेंट यू कैन कम हियर. सो आशा करती हूँ वीडियो पसंद आया है, इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है, लाइक कीजिएगा. एंड एज एन व्यूअर मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि आपको सही एक्यूरेट एज इट इज़ चीज़ें दिखाऊँ, लेकिन फिर भी ना कैमरा जैसे here we don't have light right here, okay, and then if I'll stand here so I'll look more bright. So it's about the camera and lighting, right? So it's my humble request, see videos, no issue, but contact us, and if it's possible for you to direct come here, okay, we have address in the description box. And still it is not possible for you to come here, don't worry, you can definitely order online and you will get what you will purchase only. So that's it for today. I hope this video was informative for you, and if it was, then like this video, share this video to your friends, to your family members, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. That's it for today. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.